cell and divide by 12. Okay, that means that indicates number of years. Okay, after that we want space, so ampersand double quotation space double quotation ampersand. After that we want message years. Okay, double quotation. Afterwards we want again space, so ampersand space space ampersand. Now we want number of months, because it is not like always like a 1 year 2 year, it can be 1 year 3 months to 2 years 2 months, like this. Then we can write mod bracket, again we have to select the same cell, that is D5 comma, now it is 12. Okay, and close the round bracket, and once we get the month, again ampersand, then space. Okay, again ampersand, and now months. Okay, and double quotation. Okay, and see, we are getting 2 years and 8 months, and likewise 38, it is 3 years and 2 months, or 22 1 year and 10 months. Thank you everyone.